Welcome back, students. Today we are going to discuss about ASCII code, Unicode and a character set. So first we discuss about ASCII. So the full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So in ASCII format we are using alphanumeric numbers, and also in ASCII format, in order to represent a character, each character is represented in the form of 7 bits, and also an ASCII code consists of a total of 128 characters. So the disadvantages of ASCII format is that we can't represent all characters by using this ASCII format. So this is about ASCII, that is the full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The next format is Unicode. The Unicode was developed by Unicode Consortium. So we can represent all languages, all type of languages by using this Unicode format. And also in Unicode, in order to represent each character, we are using 16-bit. So Unicode supports a total of 65,000 characters. And also we can represent all type of characters by using Unicode. But there are some disadvantages of Unicode that is Unicode is not efficient due to the storage and text transmission. Since it needs large amount of storage, it is not that much efficient, and for text transformation, Unicode is not that much efficient. But that is the main advantages of ASCII. So in ASCII, we need less storage and text transmission is easier. And also our Java program or Java mostly uses ASCII, and it also uses Unicode for variable names, comments, etc. The next one is character set in Java. So before learning a language, what is the first step in learning a language? To know the character set, isn't it? So how we learn the English language? So all of you know that how we learn English language. That is, this English language consists of a set of characters, isn't it? So the English language consists of alphabets, digits and special characters are there. So alphabets, there are two types are there, that is capital letter and small letters. That is capital A to Z and small letter A to Z. And also digit consists of 0 to 9. And the special characters we use in English language is that comma, colon, semicolon, tilde symbol, then exclamation, @ symbol, hash symbol, $sign, etc. These are the set of special characters we are using in English language. That is, English language consists of not only the alphabets but also it consists of digits. Special characters are also there. Clear? So let's move on what a character set is. So the set of characters used in the language for forming words, sentences and paragraphs, etc. This is known as character set. So when we are studying a new language, first we study the characters. Letter by letter we will study. Then by using these letters we form words. After studying the words, we will study how to make a sentence. Then after studying how to make a sentence, then we join the sentence to form a paragraphs. And it goes on. Isn't it? This is the format we are following while studying a particular language. Similarly, Java is also a language. It also have a set of characters informing tokens, instructions, program, etc. So our Java language is also similar to our human language. In Java language also, we have set of characters are there. By using this character set, we can form tokens, instructions, program, etc. That is, the tokens is similar to the words in English language, and instructions is similar to the sentence in the English language, and programs are similar to the paragraphs. So, which are the character set we are using in Java language? That is, our Java language consists of alphabets, digits, special characters, and escape sequence characters are there. So the alphabets ranges from capital A to Z and small letter A to Z. Digits consist of 0 to 9. By using these numbers, we are forming all type of numbers in our number format system, isn't it? That is special characters. There are several type of special characters are there. That is comma. Comma is a special character. Then dot. This is special character. Then this is semicolon. Dot and comma. This is semicolon. Read as semicolon. Then two dots. This is known as colon. This is a tilde symbol. Then this is exclamation symbol, @ symbol, hash symbol, dollar sign, dollar symbol. Then modulus operator. This percentage is read as, in Java language it is read as modulus. Then power symbol. Then AND operator. Then multiplication. Then open parenthesis, this is read as bracket, this is known as open parenthesis, this is closed parenthesis, closing parenthesis. Then minus operator, plus, then hyphen, equal to, etc. So there are set of special characters are there. So our Java character set consists of these special characters also. The next character set in Java is escape sequence characters. So we will study this thing in our next topic, that is \n, \t, \v, \a, \b, double quotes, single quotes, etc. That is in order to represent, and also these escape sequence characters. Suppose we want a space. So at that case, there is no symbol or no character to represent that in Java language. So in that case, we will use \t. \t means one tab space. That is, we will get a space between two letters. Just consider, that is, India is my country. So how many spaces between that sentence? That is, India after that one space, then is after that one space, then my after that one space. That is 3 spaces are there. So in order to print a sentence like that in Java, and in order to represent that space, we are using this \t. Clear? And also this escape sequence characters are not printable in Java. Also the most important thing to be considered in Java programming language is that all Java programming language characters are defined using Unicode character set. So students, in this class we studied about ASCII code, then we studied about Unicode, then character set in Java, and also we are in the next topic we will study what an escape sequence character is. That is, the character set in Java consists of alphabets, then digits, special characters, and escape sequence characters are there. So we will continue in a new class with a new topic. Thank you.